Hi, I'm Grace Hammond, and this is my EDF 204 website and app presentation. So for my website, I chose starfall.com, and for my app, I chose Highlights Library Reading, and my mini lesson topics were phonics and reading fluency. So for my website, I chose starfall.com. A few things about this is the website has several resources for teachers. There is an entire section just for teachers and educators. So within that section, there are basic worksheet formats, lesson ideas, ESL lesson ideas, all kinds of stuff. There's also a talking library section for students, a learning to read section, a more phonics section, and there's also like a seasonal section for like a fun little extra. Um, but there are a lot of things on this website, so there's no way a child could get bored on it. So for my lesson with Starfall, I chose phonics, so words with TH. So I chose kindergarten, and my objective is RFK3, so they're supposed to know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills in decoding words. My objective is I can find TH words and understand what they look like. My mini lesson outline is that students will get it on Starfall and choose a book from the website. They will write down when they find a TH word or make a check mark. And then when everyone is done with their book, we will compare what TH words we found and how many TH words we noticed, just as a fun little introductory way to kind of find what TH sounds are and what kind of words have that sound. So how this content supports students' use of technology. It allows students to engage in games and activities. Read aloud aspect for students who are audio learners. Hands-on games for kinesthetic learners. Graphics and illustrations for visual learners. Various levels of difficulty for students or different cognitive levels too. For the name of my app and app developer, I chose Highlights Library Reading by Highlights for Children Incorporated. Books of various difficulty are in this app. There's an assignment section where students can complete assignments over the books they've read if the teacher assigns them. There's also a video section for students who need audio that can help with your audio learners. There is a section where teachers can customize what their students can read, so you have a say in what they read and the books that they read pertaining to like what subject or what lesson you're teaching. There's also a My Favorites section where students can put their favorite books, so that's really handy if they just want to use this like as an after school like way to keep up with their fluency and that kind of stuff. So for this lesson on the app, I chose for students to reading fluently. So it's for kindergarten once again. My standard and objective is RFK4, reading fluently, accuracy, speed, and prosody on grade level to support comprehension. And students will choose a book to read at the beginning of the week. They will read it once a day and time themselves daily. On Friday, the students can have a competition at their tables to see who reads the fastest or who reads the best. And then students at the table will give them an assessment based on how well they read the book and how fluently they read. So I know as a child, I always loved to be the fastest or the best reader. So I think this is a fun, nice way to have a little competition, but also keep students on task and make sure they're having fun while they're reading. So how this content meets learning needs of diverse students. This website allows a large selection of books, creating a variety of books for a variety of different interests. So there's books anywhere from science to math, anything in between. There are books at different levels of the reading fluency and advancement of students. And this app could use some more features for students with learning disabilities, I thought, because there wasn't very many, I guess, side sections or like tabs you could click on. It was mostly just like pick a book and then read it. There weren't really many options like read this book to me or anything like that. So I think that could be a nice aspect to have on this app. Other interesting things to share. I really enjoyed looking at this website and app, and I would really recommend it to fellow teacher candidates or, teachers who are trying to find a lesson that has to do with reading or language arts. There's a lot of information, especially on Starfall, and I think it's a really great tool to have and a really great thing for students to have just a fun game over their reading lesson, or to stay fluent and make sure they keep advancing in language arts and reading. So thank you very much.